Hi there, my name is Neela Wickramasinghe and I'm the Director of Restoration and Preservation here at Greenwood. Every time you support the Historic Fund, you're also supporting restoration efforts throughout the cemetery. We're able to do small repairs, big repairs, and everything in between. You're making it possible for young adults, high school students, people of all ages really to experience the restoration department here at Greenwood and what it can offer our community. We're able to do high school internship programs at the end of the summer where high school students from throughout the 5 boroughs come here, and me and my crew teach them a little bit of the basics of what it means to do restoration work in a historic cemetery. And we're also able to run a 10-week young adult program where we train adults ages 18 to 27 in the restoration arts, individuals that want to get into the construction trades. They're able to learn those skills here at Greenwood, and it's really with your help that we're able to do these programs.